Mathematics is not about understanding different things and concepts. It is about getting used to them by applying the concepts in everyday tasks. What could be a better way to learn these applications other than interesting math projects which facilitate both creativity and knowledge? Students, some of the mathematical concepts were applied even in NASA. It gives an understanding of how mathematics works, and mathematics is in and around you everywhere in the form of numbers, shapes, size, volume, weight, and etc. Mathematics is an essential component of contemporary science and engineering. The focus of exploring space through math project is to promote inquiry through real world applications. You can reach great heights in your life when you learn the mathematical concepts clearly. Students, exploring space through math will help you to develop a deeper understanding of key mathematical concepts, and it will help you to learn how to apply these concepts in the context of space exploration. This can be a valuable supplement component to the mathematics curriculum as it exposes you all to limitless options in science, technology, engineering and mathematics, that is STEM fields. The focus of exploring space through math project is to promote inquiry through real world applications. These will promote cooperative learning by exploring to do more problem solving ideas and will demonstrate how NASA scientists, engineers and researchers work in teams to accomplish tasks. Students, now let's see how is math used in rockets. Track the flight of model rockets to gather data to calculate height, velocities and accelerations. Use mathematical equations to determine velocities and accelerations during the rocket flight and describes their relationship to Newton's second law. Students and also astronauts use maths in order to make precise mathematical calculations from how the spacecraft leaves Earth atmosphere. Designers use math to calculate distance, speed, velocity and their own safety when creating spacefaring vehicles. When people think about going to space, they usually think about going up. But why does a rocket or satellite or space station need to be moving sideways so fast to stay in orbit? The answer is mainly geometry. As you know, the earth is roughly spherical, while it is possible to go around the earth in an elliptical orbit, which looks like a squashed circle. And we are going to think about the simple case of perfectly circular orbit. If you think about it, you will see that a rocket going to around the spherical earth in a circular orbit. Some height above the ground will stay at that entire orbit. It is really the key to understanding the mathematics of being in orbit. A space consists of selected mathematical objects that are treated as points and selected as a relationship between these points.